Hey everyone, welcome back again to Foxtecc. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable and turn off Stage Center on your Mac computer. So this mostly applies to video calls like the FaceTime. So if you get inside of FaceTime, you can see myself in it there, right? So you can see like this. This is me, whatever is going on behind me. But as you can tell, there are a couple of buttons in here. So in the top right portion, you can see that we have the background as well as some effects like the blurring effect. But at the top portion or in the top panel of your Mac, you can click on this video camera icon, expand it right in here, and you will be able to see the option for center stage. It depends on your Mac. Like in my case, it is simply not available simply because it's not supported really, but you will be able to see it in here, right? So I can change some things like the reaction, studio light, portrait mode, and so on. But you know, the center stage is not really in here simply because it doesn't support. It's not supported on my camera. But that is how you would be able to turn it off. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to find it. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later in future uploads.